Hey guys, it's Miss Katie Jane from Curious You. This week is all about books, books, books. Did you know that there are parts of a book just like there are parts of your body? It's true. One of them is even the same word as a part of our body. I've got a book right here. This part is called the spine of the book. Where is the spine on your body? That's right, it's the back. So that's the strong connecting part of the book. The front and back part of the book, which are sometimes hard and sometimes soft, are called covers. And they always have the title and the author and illustrator listed on the front cover, and on the back cover, sometimes it'll give you a little snippet of the story. And we at the library, of course, put a barcode on the back cover of our books. There's some other cool parts of the book. When you open it up, you can see the end papers. And the end papers are sometimes just a solid color, but this book, it has end papers that are chickens and ducks and geese. That is very fun. Do you think it's on the end papers at the back too? Yep, there it is. Plus, the library has put a special sticker for RFID, radio frequency identification. That's how you can check out your books from Hoover Public Library. We're going to learn one other cool part of a book. We're going to open the book up anywhere at all. You see this little section? That divot, that valley, that is called the gutter. That's where the pages have been sewn together. And so there's a gutter there. Oh, there's a gutter there. Oh, there's a gutter there. There's gutters everywhere in this book. So now you know spine, cover, end paper, and gutter. There are parts of a book, just like there are parts of your body. That's a fact. In today's Curiosity Break, we are going to make our very own book. It will have all those different parts, but we are going to make it out of some very simple things. Some paper bags, a hole punch, a piece of string or yarn, some scrap paper, some scissors, and the writing, drawing utensils of your choice. I have a pack of washable markers. All right, let's get started. All right, we're gonna take 3 paper sacks, stack them on top of each other, alternating the direction we're stacking them. So sometimes we'll want the opening on one end and the flap on the bottom. Sometimes the opening at the other end, flap on the top. If you want to have more pages in your book, you'll use more than 3 bags. But let's practice with these 3 bags. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold my stack in half. All right. That is creating the spine and the gutter. And now that we have the gutter, we're going to take our hole punch. And if you do all 3 at once, you have to be pretty strong. Pow! Oh, I made some little confetti because it's kind of hard to hole punch through 3 bags. You may have to use an adult or do them one at a time, no problem. Now that we have the holes, we want the pages to stay together, so we're going to have to, that's right, do some sewing. So we're going to take our yarn and tuck it one end into one hole. Well, here, let's try this way. Let's try to go up. Yeah, I had better luck going up instead of going down. You can do whichever way is easiest for you. Now I'll pull down on this side. All right. Oh, mine did not want to go through at first. That's okay. I got it. All right, so now we're going to tie it up. Maybe you want to tie it in just a simple knot. Maybe you want to make a bow. I'm going to try to make a bow.
tie it like I tie the shoelaces on my sneakers. And then, uh-oh, look, I have this little frayed bit that happened when I was trying to push it through the hole. So I'm gonna cut that part off. And then, so it's the same length on that side, I'm gonna cut that part off and just toss that away. Now, we want the bow or knot part to be on the outside of the book. So we're gonna make it so that the folding is so that the bow is on the outside. Very good. Now, we have the cover. And how do we know it's the cover? Well, we better put the things we said were on the cover of the book. This is where you're gonna need your markers or crayons or colored pencils. And you're going to want to do a title. And you're gonna want to do your author illustrator name who made the book. So I'm gonna just call mine My Book for now. And I've put my name because I am doing the words and the pictures in this book. All right, now when you open up, there'll be lots of pages that you can write on and draw on in this book. But you'll also notice there's some special bonus features. Like, look at this. There's an open place where you can tuck in some kind of surprise. That's what this paper is for. We're going to take some of the scrap paper and we'll just tuck it down. Uh-oh, the paper is too big, but don't worry. Look what I have here. I have scissors still, and I can cut it off that way. And oh, it's too long there, so I'll cut it off the other end. And now, will that fit down inside? It does. But how will anyone know it's hiding in there? Good idea. I'm going to write some instructions. Pull here. And I think I'll do some arrows. Arrows are good direction finders. And then the people reading your book will know to pull out and see whatever special things inside. Maybe it will be a picture like that. Or maybe it will be part of the story. You get to decide. So that's one cool feature of this paper baggy book. Another cool feature is sometimes there's these little lift the flap opportunities. So you can, again, hide a little picture in there or put a secret message in there. And to make sure your readers find it, you can do some instructions. I'm going to practice writing upside down. Lift up. Ooh, it's hard to write upside down. Hello. And again, look, there's several opportunities. There's another opportunity for a pull out. There's another lift the flap. There's another pull out. Oh, and here's a lift the flap going the other direction. You have plenty of spaces to fill this book with your words and your pictures. But remember, the most important part is not just making the book, it's reading the book and sharing the book with others. So make sure once you're done that you share your story with your friends, your family, and of course, your favorite librarians here at Hoover Public Library.
Join us next Thursday for a curiosity break involving exercise time. Until then, stay curious.